Now there are few more ways of using PDB with your Python script. So let's see those other ways in which we can use the command PDB with our Python script. So I'm going to press Q in order to exit out of the debugging. So the second way of using PDB is to import the PDB inside your script. So I can just import the PDB library inside our script, and then in order to set the breakpoint, I can use pdb.setTrace. So this will set the breakpoint on the next line after this line. So I'm going to just clear the terminal by right clicking and then pressing clear buffer. And once again, to start the debugging, I just need to give this Python command and the name of my script. So once you have this import inside your script and you have this code inside your script, you don't need to give the PDB command. You just need to run your script normally with the Python command. So my program execution is here, which is running the program normally. So I'm going to just give the value of X and Y, which is 3 and 4. And it's going to stop the execution at this line, which is just after the set trace code. Okay. So because we have set the breakpoint on this line using this line of code, it's going to stop at this point. And once again, I'm going to use, for example, what is command, and I want to see the value of X, and it's going to show us the type of X, which is int. So this is the other way of using PDB in your script. Some people also like to use PDB directly at the point where they want to set the breakpoint. And the benefit of using this type of code is, if you are using any linting tool, it's going to warn you on the same line. So the developer will know that he needs to remove this line because linting will fail because there is a semicolon here and we are using 2 lines of code in the same line. So it's going to give us the warning, and that's how the developer will know that he needs to remove this line. So he is going to remove this line after the script is working fine. So this was the second way. I'm going to quit out of the PDB once again, and let me show you the last way of debugging your code with the PDB command. So I'm going to clear the terminal, and now I'm going to just give this Python command, which is going to open the Python shell. And here you just need to import the script which you are working with. So I'm working with the debugging script, and then import the PDB. And once you have imported your script and the PDB module, you can just use PDB in order to start the debugging of your script. So pdb.run, and under the brackets or under these parentheses, you just need to give the name of your script. So my script name is debugging, and then you need to provide at which point you need to start the debugging. So let me enclose this code inside a new function. So let me define a new function, and I'm going to name it as main, and this is going to be my main function. And inside the main function, I'm going to execute all this script, and I'm going to just call this main function inside this if condition. And here on the Python shell, I can just write debugging dot the function which I want to call. So I'm going to just call the main function, and then I'm going to press enter. And once again, it shows me that debugging doesn't have this main method because after saving, I haven't restarted the PDB once again. So let me just quit once again quickly, and let me just quickly close this terminal and restart this terminal. And once again, I'm going to give the Python command, which is going to start the Python shell, and I'm going to import the PDB and the script once again. And now I can just give the pdb.run command and then give the name of the script on which I want to work on, which is debugging. And then I'm going to call the main method inside the debugging and then press enter. And once again, give the n command, which is for the next, which is going to start the debugging of your code. So this is how you can use the PDB command in order to debug your Python script. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.